Good morning students. Welcome to our geography class. In last class we learnt about solar system and taught you about two planets of solar system. What are the two planets? Mercury and Venus. Now we are going to study about Earth. Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the fifth largest planet in the solar system. Okay students. Are we living in the earth or on the earth? Yes, we live on the earth's surface, mainly on lands in buildings. Earth rotates around its own axis as it revolves around the sun. It takes 365.25 days to complete one revolution around the sun. It has 24 hours to complete one rotation around its axis. Earth is the only planet which has oxygen and water. You know, Earth is also known as blue planet or watery planet. Now tell me why Earth is known as the blue planet. The reason is 3/4 of the Earth is covered by water. Due to that, we can see as blue. So the Earth is known as blue planet. The Earth revolves around the Sun at a speed of about 30 km per second. The only natural satellite of the Earth is the Moon. The next planet, Mars. Mars is the fourth planet from the Sun and the second smallest planet in the solar system. It is called a red planet. Students, why Mars is called a red planet? Because it appears red in color due to the presence of iron oxide on its surface. Mars has two natural satellites, namely Phobos and Deimos. Next one, Jupiter. Jupiter is the fifth planet from the Sun and the largest planet in the solar system. Jupiter is the fastest spinning planet in the solar system. It is called as gas giant planet. Why it is called gas giant planet? Its atmosphere is mostly made up of hydrogen and helium like the Sun. Can we see in the sky easily? It has appeared quite brightly. It has the largest number of natural satellites. That is Io, Europa, Ganymede and Callisto. Next planet, Saturn. Saturn is the sixth planet from the Sun and the second largest planet in the solar system. Which one is the first largest planet? Yes, that is Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Saturn has many rings around it. These rings are huge and are mostly made up of ice, rocks and dust particles. It appears yellowish in color. Saturn is only the planet lighter than the water. Saturn has many moons. Next, Uranus. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun. Uranus is the coldest planet like Venus. Uranus also rotates east to west. Uranus appears green due to the presence of methane gas. It rotates on its axis from east to west like Venus. Its axis is tilted so much that it appears to orbit the Sun on its sides like a rolling ball. Uranus has 27 natural satellites, of which Titania is the largest. Neptune is the eighth and the farthest planet from the Sun. Neptune is one of the coldest planet in the solar system because of its distance from the Sun. There are strong winds in this planet. Neptune was discovered for mathematical calculation. Okay, students, shall we recall this unit? Many galaxies are found in the universe. Milky Way galaxy. Our solar system is a part of the Milky Way galaxy. The sun is at the center of the solar system. Sun is a star. Very good. There are 8 planets in the solar system. How many planets? 8 planets. Planets means what? Wanderer. What are the planets? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. The first 4, Mercury, Venus, Earth and Mars are the inner planet. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune are the outer planets. Very good. Mercury is the smallest planet and closest to the sun. Next one, Venus. Venus is the hottest planet. This is the second planet from the sun. It is also called Earth's twin. Third planet, Earth. This is our Earth is the living planet. It is called blue planet or watery planet. Where we live? Yes, we live on the Earth. Next one, Mars. Mars is the red planet. Next one, Jupiter. Jupiter is the largest planet and fastest spinning planet. Okay. Next one, Saturn. What is Saturn? Yes, Saturn is the ringed planet. Next one, Uranus. Uranus is the green in color because of, yes, methane gas. Okay, next Neptune. Neptune is the closest planet and Neptune is the coldest planet and farthest planet. Okay. Okay, students. Next class we will see others. Okay.